Hey guys, and today I'm going to be showing you my sister's whiteboard. Yeah, she just got a school whiteboard. I can't show you.
A school whiteboard.
It's a bit like school whiteboard, and I got a fidget.
Fine. I guess the trick didn't work.
Yo, oh! On the camera, yeah? It looks like it's going so slow. Yo, come look at that, oh. It looks like it's going so slow, look at that. It goes everywhere. Wait, let me just... There. But in real life it's obviously different. So, what? I know I haven't done a vlog in ages, but you should know what a fidget spinner looks like. This one looks like, let's see if you can actually see them in natural. Yeah, that's what they look like, and when they spin they go super fast. Oh my god, yeah, there is, ah, there is, ah. I'm still spinning. Yo, I've run to the end of the street, guys. You don't want one. You want this. You want my fidget spinner. Oh, and if you know who Maddox is, subscribe to him, like I've told you, and drop a like on this video, please. And that's his house there. Hopefully you've seen it. He's got a new fence. And no, he's gonna grab me and just get this. No, I already asked it. I already gave Ollie this and went to give him a hug, and he said no, I don't want a hug, I want that. So, what he don't? You crap. So, and he has a girl in the dark. No, it's not. And maybe I want to, or maybe I want to have freedom.
Freedom, you know, freedom all the time.
Yeah, whatever. And he's getting one. Ollie's getting a fidget. I was the first one to get mine. And I was the first one to get my rocker. So that's it. Right. What do I want to do?
You were the first, because they both might came at the same time.
Mine came a little bit before his came. His came at 11, mine came at 10. Yeah, oh. And then...
I thought they were big on Fidget Pro. Huh? Really? What?
Oh, what do I want to do?
You're going in mine.
Now, let's see if that's facing on that whole wall.
Let's just have a look.
Hey. Leave it. Leave the vlog. Leave the vlog. Yo. What do I do all? Huh? Why is my camera upside down? Nah, my camera is upside down.
I don't know what to do. I'm just going to go on my back forward. It's too fast. Yeah, but you have to...
What do I do?
Holly don't know how to ride a quad. Yeah, I do.
This is a diesel one.
The diesel pet. Diesel is basically pet. I don't know how to ride a quad.
Yeah, but his is complicated.
Mine's complicated.
It has like millions of buttons.
Yeah, it's got like loads of buttons. You've got to like
Do them all at the same time.
you've got to press the red button. Is it that you've got to do the red
Yeah,
button?
but this is like totally different one.
Like a
Is
whole
his a racing one?
You have to hold it.
This has no number plate.
Hit the red button.
Racing ones should have a
push,
number plate.
and then
Otherwise it's
Yeah,
illegal.
push it and you've got to hold it all the way.
Yeah. And you
No, but then you go flying.
Yeah, I know. And then
No, then you go flying, then you have to press the brake.
Yeah.
You don't know which one is the brake.
You're all.
Liam had a motorbike and a quad when he was little. A proper diesel one.
Mama,
But I said to my mum, no, it's mine. And then Liam goes, hell no. When he was little, yeah, oh my gosh, he was on his little motorbike.
you said you had a what?
Yeah, she had a quad.
You had
I had a Diamante one.
You're the what?
Starting on team.
Yeah, what do
Mine's
you want to do?
real, mine's a real. My dad's supposed to
Yeah,
be
we had a real one.
My dad's might be getting me a pit fight.
What do we what do you want to do?
I
Do you want to go in the ring?
ring.
Oh, I want to go in the ring.
There's hardly anyone there.
Still?
We'll go up for Riley or something, or Callum.
Who's Riley?
Is Callum grounded?
Who the heck is Rob? Oh no, I ain't going up for Riley. No.
I don't know.
It's annoying.
No, it's Bo. His dad goes, he's going to be grounded. And I'm like, obviously not then.
Yeah, guess what? If we don't keep our room tidy, we just had to do like whatever punishment. We had to do like 50, or, like 10 push-ups or 50 sit-ups.
Oh, what?
50!
It actually don't look like that, guys.
50.
It don't look like that.
But my brother is like, I kept it tidy for a bit.
Do it.
Ollie's doing good again.
Oh, now we're talking. Yeah, why does it look so weird? Why does it look like it's only spinning so slow, but it's like spinning so fast? Look at that.
I could. Liam, it looks like Maddox is jumping
There,
off a
now
fence.
it's there.
Liam, it looks like Maddox is jumping off a fence on Jimmy Rocker radio one.
Yeah, it does, yeah.
Yeah, don't it?
Yeah.
It looks like he's jumping off a fence. On this mini rock of mine. Don't it? What? What is that? He's jumping off a fence or something.
I know.
I know, mate.
But you can only see like a little tip of the ramp.
with you as well.
Yeah.
What did he do?
That was the day he beat you up, then I crawled in. That was the day.
I was hiding. I was hiding behind him, remember?
Yeah.
My never got me in the middle.
Yeah.
Whoa!
You what? Yo! What's this?
Where'd I go around here?
Mixer. It's got the mixer. Uncle John, do you still work as a builder? Ah.
Did you do the non-legged race? Do you want to go round the ring? Do you want to go round the ring?
How long has this video been on for? 3 minutes, I think, or 2. 8 minutes already. Oh, gee. Okay, guys, that's just gonna wrap up the vlog. I know it's quite short, but that's all I really wanted to. So, hope you enjoyed. Just like and drop, share with your friends, subscribe. Peace. Peace.